Talk about one of the most important biological process, which is diffusion. Diffusion is all about the molecules or particles that are trying to stabilize themselves in their environment. For example, look at this diagram. This is alveoli in our lungs. This part actually is the helpful of the gas exchange, so that provides us oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from our body. So it's so vital process, and this process is going through by diffusion. And also there are some few more examples here, and that candle heating that metal, and heat also trying to move to the lower concentration. And also this perfume is the same thing. The air molecules are moving all around the body back and forth. And also plant cells are another example for diffusion. Now let's answer some questions on diffusion. There are 4 equal strips, potato strips A, B, C, and D. They were cut from a potato whose cell subconcentration was 28. So 28% of sugar is there. And the strips were placed in a sugar solutions of different concentration as follows. A 10%. So solution A has 10% sugar solution. Solution B has 15% of sugar solution. Solution C has 25% of sugar solution. And solution D has 35% of sugar solution. And A, what type change would you expect in strip A and D? Now we have a potato strip which has 28%, sugar solution. And if we dip that potato strip in a solution A, which is 10% of sugar solution, let's say this is A and this is D, because we have been asked A and D. And our potato sugar solution, it has sugar solution of 28% sugar solution. And the solution A, this water solution A, is 10% sugar solution, so that our potato looks like hypertonic. Our potato looks like hypertonic to the solution A, so that it's going to gain water. Water molecules are going to move into the potato strip through the process of osmosis. That is important. And let's look at D. What type of change would you expect in strip D now? D has 35, that water solution has 35% of sugar solution, and potato, it's the same potato, 28% of sugar solution. Now things has been changed. 35 means more than the concentration of potato's sugar solution, so that now the solution D is hypertonic to the potato strip. Now, that's why potato now is going to lose water, or water molecules are going to move to the solution D through the process of osmosis. That is it. That is what exactly happened to the strip A and D, the solution A and D. And let's check the other question. Account for the changes in A and D. Account for the changes. Now changes, what's going to be changed? Because potato has gained water here from the solution A, it is going to be enlarged. it is going to be enlarged because getting more and more and more water. So it's going to be like a swollen, like inflated potato. It's going to look like inflated potato. So and the D is going to be shrinked or shriveled up because it's loose. It has been loose water, and it's going to be shriveled up. It's going to be shrinked. Okay, that is that. Let's see the answers. Let's see the answers also. You can take a look at it for later use on. Okay, let's move to another question. That's an experiment too. A group of students set up an experiment to investigate a certain physiological process. The setup was as shown in diagram. After some times, the students observed that the level of sugar solution had risen. And now, let's check what physiological process was being investigated. So once you look at the diagram, it's very easy. That might be water, that's pow, that's pow, which is already indicated, and sugar solution here. So that is an osmosis process. Osmosis process is the one that's been investigated because water molecules are going to move towards the sugar solution. That is what is going to happen at the end. So that we are talking about osmosis. And then B, account for the rise in the level of sugar, solution, in the level of sugar solution in the experiments. So we expect a rise on that solution. So that is why that is happening, because sugar solution means hypertonic to the pow. So water molecules are going to move into the sugar solution from the pow. They're going to run away from the pow to sugar solution because water molecules are being attracted by sugar solution or by hypertonic solution, so that this pow is going to be hypertonic too, because water is drained up. So it's going to be hypertonic. Now there is another way of waters here, which is in petri dish. They're going to be now attracted to the pow because water has been drained by that solution here. And then so all waters like trying to move towards that solution so that the level has been increased. And C, sugar results that students would obtain if they repeat the experiment using a piece of boiled pow. Boiled means the killed cell sap in that pow, so that they won't be able to show the function of the semi-permeable membrane. So there will be no any change. There will be no any change of the volume of water or sugar, any. So there will be no any osmosis process going to be taken. Okay. Let's see the answer. You can also take a look at that. And next question, that's also a question from KCSE. Let's see, what is it? Investigating a certain physiological process, students set up the apparatus as shown below and made observation after 30 minutes as illustrated. Now we have a solution E, we have a G like a border, we have solution F, and this is beginning, and after 30 minutes it becomes like that. This is the end. So there is once we look at the solution F, there is a decrease here, and this one, solution E, has been increased. Okay, Let's take a look at A. Name the physiological process being investigated. It looks like the previous question because water molecules has been moved into that solution from F to E, from that solution to that solution, from F solution to the E solution, so that is a osmosis process. We are talking about the movement of water. So account for the observation made at the end of the experiment. I think we already explained it. Water moves from the solution F into the solution E by the osmosis because of the solution F is hypotonic to the solution E. So therefore resulting into a reduce of the volume of solution F due to penetrating water towards the solution E by osmosis. That is the explanation. And lastly, state the likely identity of the G. It's most likely a semi-permeable membrane, so that water molecules are able to penetrate to the other sides. That is it. Let's see the answers also.